I left the perfect bite.
Oof. We're gonna clean up. We go out deep. Look for mahi. Let's go deeper. I turned it off. I don't even know if that was a good idea.
But the day didn't start like this.
Today we're in the beautiful Florida Keys, and this is the plan. Catch dinner by getting some yellowtails and then going out deeper to get some mahi. Let's go. So far weather looks perfect. See a lot of weeds. Hopefully we see them out deep also once we're looking for mahi. See how long it takes to get this first bite. There it is. Ah, came off. Came off. Current is ripping. It's perfect. It's exactly what you want. This is a good one. First one, boys. Good size too. One in the box. There it is. There it is. Oh boy. Another nice one. Oh yeah. This is not a bad start, guys. Number two. This is gonna happen quickly. There it is. There it is. Ah. Came off. Different type of fish cut me off. Came off right inside, bro. This is number 3, guys. There we go, boys. It's number 4, hopefully. Yep, something ate this one. Ah. Yep. Something ate it and cut me off. I'm gonna get the swivel seat out. It's pretty flat. It's number 4, guys. Number 5, guys, in about an hour. Short. Let me see if this is number 7. There it is. It's a nice flag. There it is. It's a fat one.
Looking back, I probably should have just stayed on that bite.
I'm not gonna waste any more time, so I'll let all this chum go. I'm gonna go out deep, so this thing gets stuck really hard. Let's see if I can unhook it with my hands. There, yeah, came off. Wasn't easy. We got it. I've lost a few. Man, this blue water is amazing. Let's just go out deep, man. We're gonna start hunting for mahi. I'm gonna put this way back there, about 200 feet behind the ski. I will put this one maybe 75 to 100 feet behind. What does that mean? Limp home mode. Shoot, man. You gotta look this up. I've never seen that message before. Wow. I turned it off. I don't even know if that was a good idea. Oh boy, that's fishy, guys. That is right there, that's fishing. When it's not one thing, it's another. I have bait, I have the conditions, I have a huge seaweed patch. Now I have jet ski problems. Engine problems, guys. About 10 miles away from shore. Oh boy. Damn, man. Perfect conditions, guys. This is what you want to be trolling around looking for mahi. This is exactly what you're looking for. Spin your bait. Hold up. Guys, I see a mahi. I see a mahi, guys. I see a mahi. I see a mahi, guys. I see a mahi. I'm gonna put out chunks. I definitely saw something that looked like a mahi. Can't tell you I'm 100% sure because it's a little deeper. Barracuda. Big barracuda. All right, guys, so much for mahi. I'm not gonna risk it going any deeper.
Luckily, limp mode doesn't completely shut down the ski. It just limits the power to about 5 miles per hour. I was 10 miles offshore, so it took me about 2 hours to get back. Honestly, with that yellowtail bite earlier, it still ended up being an amazing day offshore. Subscribe for more offshore jet ski fishing adventures.